One of the easiest and most popular ways of bringing in new customers is selling gift cards as a choice for the holiday season. Whether you have or haven't begun selling gift cards already, the following step-by-step process will show you how to officially set it up as an option for your online store. Start by going into Settings. Select What's New and enable Next Gen Storefront. Save and go to your catalog. From there, select Gift Cards. Click Create Gift Card. Then use your suggested settings that are auto-generated, or edit your preferred settings by selecting Edit Settings. Once a gift card is enabled, you can find it listed in your catalog along with all your other products. Here's an example of how it looks on your online store. If you follow these easy instructions, you should be all set and ready to have customers buy a gift card from your online store. If you're having any issues with the setup process, don't worry. You can send us a message anytime at support@bookmark.com and we'll be happy to help you out. Happy holidays!